Now, if you're heading out, we have a check of weather and traffic for you.
We're going to start things off with First Alert meteorologist Darren Peck, and we have some rain in the area, but also a really beautiful sunrise, too.
Yeah, I'll show you the cameras from the top of the Salesforce Tower. It does look spectacular, which also tells us this is not widespread rain, but there is rain. There's rain in the North Bay, and it's pretty light stuff. If we come in for a close-up look at that, let's highlight where we're most likely to encounter this. Right through Sonoma County, where it looks pretty good on these last images. But when you look at the rain gauges up here, it's a couple hundredths of an inch. And it's been going like this for like the last 4 hours. So it looks much better on high-def Doppler than it actually is down on the ground. But if you're hitting the road in the North Bay, plan on hitting some slick roads out there. You might even need the windshield wiper for a time, but it's not downpours. And if we see what happens next, we're going to take it from 6:30. There's that band of rain. It really kind of gets hung up in the North Bay and just kind of slowly takes its sweet time. By the time we get to 11 a.m., it's trying to get down to the Golden Gate and south. But there's not a lot left by the time it gets there. And you're going to see it disappear in a hurry once we get past 11 a.m. So it's just clouds for the most part. If you get a drop of rain, count yourself lucky. Friday, we do it again. Maybe a light chance of rain Friday morning, but Friday has a separate issue than the light rain on Friday. You'll get more blue sky on Friday, but Friday's going to be windy, and that might be the biggest impact from all this. I'll show you the winds in 1 second and the wind advisory for tomorrow. For today, though, we pick up maybe a couple hundredths of an inch of rain in the North Bay. That's the view looking at things from our camera on Sutro looking out over the city. Here's that gorgeous sunrise. Look at the light fill in the sky there. It looks just fantastic, and that's the scene from the Salesforce Tower looking off towards the east. And the sunrise happening pretty much as I speak, and it's just beautiful out there. Daytime highs today will go to the low to mid-60s. We'll have more clouds today than anything else. You can see the numbers out there now, still in the low 50s for pretty much just about wherever you are. So here's the headline. Tomorrow it's windy. Watch the screen light up as we get into the afternoon right there. We could see gusts up to 40 miles an hour throughout the day tomorrow. Particularly strong for this kind of system and this time of year. You're going to feel it more along the coast and in the city, but everywhere else gets windy through the afternoon and early evening tomorrow. In fact, if we look at this a different way, the National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory for this, for tomorrow. And it goes from 7 in the morning tomorrow until 7 at night, so pretty much right throughout the heart of the day. You see the brown strip there going along the coast, but if we come in for a close-up look, it also includes the city. So again, closer you are to the water, the more you'll feel this. We could see 40-mile-an-hour gusts in the city tomorrow. But even if you're not in the city, East Bay communities, inland East Bay, North Bay, plan on noticing the wind tomorrow as well, 30 to 40-mile-an-hour gusts. We're going to get some snow in the Sierra from this system, so good news, perhaps another half a foot of snow. Even if it doesn't bring us a lot of rain, it does produce enough snow that it'll be fun to ski on for about the next 3 days up there, maybe about a half a foot up at Donner Pass. Okay, 7-day forecast shows us we're going to pretty much wind this whole thing down as we go through the weekend. And then we're going to warm up for next week. It'll be sunny and relatively warm for most of next week. The weekend is fine. It may still be a bit cooler as a result of this system, but I don't have any rain in the forecast on Saturday or Sunday. The wind will be done by the time we get to Saturday as well. The weekend looks pretty good. Next week looks sunny and noticeably warmer again, back into the low 70s. Okay, Gianna.